Hi, it's Dr. Moore. I just wanted to explain what a night guard is. I'm sure many of you wear one, or maybe have been told that you need to wear one. A night guard is just something that you wear at night, and it's just a clear retainer. It's not like a sports guard. I don't want people to freak out when I tell them you need a night guard and they think of this big bulky sports guard. But it's just a clear, thick retainer that fits on the edges of your upper teeth, or you could do it on the lower. But it just fits snug on there. You can still open and close your mouth, but it's just gonna protect your lower teeth and your other teeth from when you're grinding. You don't wanna grind off that enamel because we see a lot of cracked and broken teeth from that. Or clenching, it also helps with preventing you from clenching and those muscles from really tightening up at night. So it also helps with headaches to prevent them. And we don't have to take any yucky impressions. We have our scanner that we just use to scan your teeth, and we send that to the lab and we get this made. So just wanted to show you what a night guard was. Have a good day.